Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. If you try to add a friend in Snapchat and the add friend button is not working or not showing in your iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch and as well as Android devices, then you are at the right place to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, we have to launch Snapchat and tap on your profile icon, then tap on settings. Here we have to scroll and under account action we have to tap on clear cache and tap clear to confirm. After clearing the cache, we have to force close all the apps that are running in the background, include the Snapchat. Then we have to launch App Store. In App Store, we have to tap on search and search for Snapchat. And make sure that there is no update for Snapchat. After that, we have to launch settings. Here we have to tap on General and tap Software Update and update your iOS. Then go back to General, tap on iPhone storage and make sure that iPhone is not running out of space. In the end, do one more thing. Settings, General, transfer or reset iPhone, tap reset all settings. We have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.